Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 9, 2024 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong August 9, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, August 9, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 9, 2024, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, August 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of August 9, 2024, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.